Chapter 2, Sloka 38. Sukha dukhe same kritva, Sukha dukhe same kritva, Sukha dukhe same kritva, Labha labhau jaya jayo, Labha labhau jaya jayo, Labha labhau jaya jayo, Sukha dukhe same kritva, Labha labhau jaya jayo, सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जया जयौ 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 ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व 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 नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जया जयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.